America just got hit with a baby oil snowstorm that makes Russia look normal. And nobody's explaining how. Overnight, temperatures in parts of the U.S. dropped so fast, people's booty literally froze while pooping. Entire highways turned into ice sheets in minutes, and emergency alerts went off back to back like something went very wrong. Power grids started failing, planes stopped mid-route, and cities woke up buried under snow that wasn't even in the forecast. Music. Then people noticed something weird. The snow wasn't melting at all, even with salt, even with fire. Some locals swore it smelled like chemicals, and videos popped up of snow turning black after being burned. Officials immediately said, "It's normal winter weather." Yeah, well, okay, then why were military convoys spotted moving north during the storm? And why did satellite maps go blurry over certain areas right after? One guy said the cold felt artificial, like it was switched on. If this is just winter, winter is acting real suspicious.